I'm Doug Sheely with Moser Construction. I'm Vice President. I'm in charge of the Highway Division, which also takes care of a lot of the heavy equipment operations. Moser Construction, being a general contractor, we perform all our own concrete work. And our cranes are primarily purchased for the support of concrete work. And we presently own 4 crawlers and 4 hydraulics. Again, the reason we chose this crane is the reach and the lift at long distances. And that makes us a lot more efficient on our projects. We don't need a larger crane. We looked at least 3 crane brands and reviewed them and priced them. And we did not pick the lowest price brand.
We had a need to increase our crane sizes for our job over here. We have a couple of 80-ton cranes. But the need arose that we needed to be able to reach a little bit further. So we did some homework, and the 218 really stood out as far as its load chart. In the 110-ton class, the 218 outpicks all the competitors. Just the fact that it's a link belt, they're known for their dependability. I've run link belts before, hydraulic cranes, never had an issue with them. Columbus Equipment and their service, and Link Belt and their service, along with the fact that the cranes has the best chart in its class, were probably the 2 main factors in our decision to purchase this machine. One of the nice things of this crane is, on this particular job, we have it set up with 190 foot of main boom, just running a whip line off of the end, and I can take this machine and I can boom it down to 190 foot radius and still be able to handle about 3,000 pounds. A lot of the competitors' machines, you put 190 foot of boom in them, they shut you off when you get to about 165, maybe 170 foot radius. And that was one of the reasons we went with this machine, because it gets us out there 30 feet further than what our other cranes are doing at this time. Some other good points on the machine are the cab visibility. It's a very roomy cab. There's a lot of glass. You can see everything very well. It has a very nice LMI system on it that is very easy to read. It's a little more advanced, I think, than some of the competitors. It'll actually give you your load chart in the LMI, so that when I'm working with somebody and I pick up X amount of pounds and they say, how far can you go with it? I can look, instead of getting the book out and looking at the load chart, I can look right at my LMI and it'll tell me how far I can take that load. That's very nice. Ease of transportability. When you go to break the machine down and haul it from job to job is very nice with this machine. They've got it's got that lift cylinder on it that you can do all your counterweights with that and everything, and that just makes it a lot easier than what the competitors, how their machines are set up to disassemble and assemble.
We have experience with Columbus Equipment since the 80s, 1980s. Columbus Equipment has a great support department, and it's really important to us because on a crane especially, when it's down, your whole operation's down. And it's a large piece of equipment that a lot of people on a project are depending upon, and you really need good equipment support. Columbus Equipment is one of the better companies that we've ever worked with as far as support and the sales staff. The sales staff is excellent.